present value, and PVN equal present value of Y dollars and years from now based on a discount rate of I, and NPV equals sum of PVs across years, and calculates time value of money with this formula is here. And break-even analysis. What's the break-even analysis? Is a type of cost-benefit analysis to identify at what point benefits equal cost, and it's here the formula for this part. And technical feasibility. What's technical feasibility? Which is a process of assessing the development organization's ability to construct a process system. The potential assessing technical feasibility in this part is the potential consequences of not assessing and managing risk can include the following: failure to attain expected benefits from the project, inaccurate project cost estimates, inaccurate project duration estimates, failure to achieve adequate system performance levels, and failure to adequately integrate the new system with existing hardware, software, or organization procedures. And what's project risk factors? Project size, firstly, team size, organization departments, project duration, programming effort, and project structure, new we as an revolved system, resulting organization change, management commitment, and user perspectives, and development group familiarity with platform, software, development method, application area, development or similar systems. User group familiarity with IS development process, application area, use or similar systems. And risk can be managed on project by is in this changing the project plan to avoid risky factors, assessing project team members to carefully manage the risky aspects, setting up monitoring methods to determine whether or not potential risks in fact materializing. And the others is the four primary factors associated with the amount of technical risk and given project are project size, project structure, development groups experience with application and technology area, and user groups experience with systems development project and application area. And assessing technical feasibility. Four general rules emerged as technical risk assessments. Larger projects are riskier than smaller projects. A system in which the requirements are easily obtained and highly structured will be less risky than one in which requirements are messy, structured, defined, or subject to the judgment of an individual. And the development of systems employing commonly used standard technology will be less risky than one employing novel or non-standard technology. A project is less risky when the user group is familiar with the system's development process and application, and than if unfamiliar. And in this table we can see the effects of degree of project structure, project size, and familiarity with application area on project implementation risk. And what is the operational is does the process proposed system solve problems of or takes advantage of opportunities? Scheduling, can the project time frame and completion dates meet organizational deadlines? Legal and contractual. What are the legal and contractual ramifications of the proposed system development project? Political, how the key stakeholders view the proposed systems. And it is here building the baseline project plan. Baseline project plan is a document intended primarily to guide the development team. Sections is introduction, system description, possibilities assessment, management issues, and project scope statement is part of the BP introduction. Sections, problem statement, the project objectives, project descriptions, business benefits, deliverables, accepted duration. And factors is in determining scope, organizational units affected by new system, current systems that will interact with or change because of new system, people who are affected by new system, and range of potential system capabilities. And what the others is in this part is diagrams depiction of project scope, and context level data flow diagram showing project scope for portion fulfillment systems for fine value furniture. And in this here system description section outlines possibly alternative solutions. Feasibility assessment section outlines issue related to project cost and benefits, technical difficulties, and others such conference. And management issues section outlines a number of managerial concerns related to the project. And what's the structure walkthroughs? What structured walkthroughs is a peer group review of a product created during the system development process. Roles: coordinator, presenter, user secretary, standard viewer, maintenance oracle, and the others can be applied to BVP. And system specifications, logical and physical designs, program code, test procedures, manuals, and documentation. And what is in this chapter is summary. First, it describes steps involved in project initialization and planning. Explain the need for an context of statement of work and baseline project plan. List and describe methods for assessing project feasibility. Describe tangible and intangible costs and benefits, and one-time recurring costs and benefits. And the others perform cost benefits analysis and understand time value of money, present value, discount rate, return on investment, and break-even analysis. And describe rules for evaluation technical risk of systems development projects. And the last one is describe activities and roles of structure walkthroughs. And thank you for watching this chapter.